Polcom Data Center is a group of first-class data centers located in the heart of Europe. Polcom boasts 25 years of experience in the integration of information technology and the largest and most modern architecture of cloud computing and storage space. Both facilities meet the highest international quality and safety standards. This is confirmed by Polcom certificates in the field of information security, quality and information management, and high assessment in such audits as PCI DSS. Both facilities were designed and built with destination of data center. They are located in safe areas in the vicinity of two large agglomerations, Krakow and Silesia. The implementation of services is supervised by the Polcom management, supported by a proprietary building management system controlling every aspect of center operations. Overall supervision is also ensured by a team of engineers with specific competencies. Each of the facilities guarantees redundant power supply, providing customers with continuity of power supply systems. At the same time, Polcom guarantees optimal environmental conditions for IT equipment through energy-efficient and redundant systems of precision air conditioning. Apart from the guarantee of physical, energy and environmental security, data centers provide highest-level fire protection. Polcom provides an independent and geographically dispersed node of access to the Internet and its own fiber optic and telecommunications cables, supervised entirely by the Security Operations Center. Its task is to detect and deal with threats from the moment of their creation. Besides security, equal emphasis has been placed on development in the field of innovation and ecology. Polcom uses energy-efficient solutions, such as systems for the direct liquid cooling of processes or cooling tanks. Owing to this, Polcom has reduced energy consumption in the data center by over 40%. In this safe fortress, Polcom has built the largest and most modern cloud computing in Poland. The architecture of the Polcom redundant enterprise infrastructure allows switching systems of the primary medium to the backup center in the event of failure or disaster. Cloud computing is provided as a service, enabling customers to realize projects without incurring investment costs. The most effective service is the provision of software. Applications fully adapted to the requirements of the company are available on request, tailored to the customer demand. These days, the key issue is the speed of adjusting the company to the changes in the business environment. Polcom enables customers to quickly launch new services and business projects, always with the current demands of the business in mind. There is zero risk of errors in infrastructure design or licenses. Another service is the provision of the IT environment necessary for functioning of the application. The service allows you to use a hardware platform tailored to the specific software and IT environment. Customers use, develop and test applications without the need to reconstruct the infrastructure and its associated costs. Polcom also offers comprehensive backup and data archiving, which includes their restoration guaranteed by Polcom, Access to this professional solution is settled taking into account the actual use of the data included by the backup service. Polcom services also include collocation. Customers do not have to maintain their own server rooms, which are both expensive to build and operate. The very high energy efficiency and scale of Polcom centers can reduce the electricity costs by more than 70%. Frequently, the savings allow customers to cover the cost of collocation. Polcom also offers services in the field of IT network and security, provides customers with dedicated WAN bandwidth and links, and ensures a secure DOS and DDoS access to the Internet. 25 years of experience and unique insight into IT integration allow us to perform risk-free migrations of IT environments. It has been for years now that Polcom has been transferring client systems without interruption of operation and without the risk of data loss. For customers having to maintain their business continuity, Polcom provides a service of a disaster recovery office. Polcom office facilities are kept on standby and made available to customers in the event of a crisis on their premises. Dependable IT architecture and high security standards ensure that the services provided by Polcom guarantee the highest level of security and the reduction of IT costs. That is why over the years many international and Polish companies and public institutions have been using the services of Polcom Data Center.